Hello Kid Art Nation. In this video, we're going to show you how to make fork paintings using forks to create these 4th of July fireworks. To create this, you want to have a paper plate with your colors, and then you dip your fork into it. And what I found is you really have to be careful at the angle you hold it. I really am just trying to get the tips of it, so I have to be careful that I'm only using the very end of my fork to kind of drag or stamp the colors on there. And then with the very tip of it, you can go and add like little flares coming off the fireworks in the end. This is a really cool effect at the end. And I like to kind of repeat the red and blue throughout my fireworks. Now in Amelia's, she does the same thing. Now she presses hers a little more hard on there. You can see you get the end of the fork by pressing hard. So you need to be kind of careful on how you're pressing, if you just want the tips of it or if you want the whole fork effect. You stamp it on, press it on there to get your fireworks. Again, if you can use more of the tip of it, it's a little bit better, and depending on how you hold your fork, you'll get that effect on there. Alright, welcome back. I'm going to show you what to do once your paint dries on your 4th of July fireworks paintings.
I thought that camera supposed to be up there.
We're just going to do that one.
Okay.
Alright, so what you want to do is cut some paper a little bit larger than your picture, and then we're going to glue the back of these onto there. So you're going to do this bigger one on here, right? Do that one on there. And you want blue or red for
I want blue for this.
Okay, and then I'll glue mine onto the red. So what I like to do is take Mr. Glue Stick.
Why do you call him Mr. Glue Stick?
Well, it's respect. I gotta respect Mr. Glue Stick. And I like to put... I like to glue the outside of it. Gotta glue this. And then put an X across the back of it. And then I'm going to glue this on the back side. Press down on here. And then I have a awesome little 4th of July picture. So then exit. Glue it onto your blue paper. Get it in the middle. Let's put this over here. Okay. And then you want it to be kind of in the middle, so you have like equal amounts on the outside for your border. Cool. Hey, thanks for joining us on Kid Art Nation. If you enjoyed our videos, it would mean a lot if you like the videos and subscribe to our channel. Remember, you are important, you are amazing, you are an artist.